So, good afternoon, sir. What's your name po?
I'm Jesse, but you can call me E.
First timer po ba kayo kay Coffee Chapters?
Actually, hindi. Parang
Okay.
somehow suki na daw po ako dito.
Okay. So, ibig sabihin, si Coffee Chapters isa na sa naging favorite spot niyo.
Apparently, yes. Yeah.
So, bakit po, sir?
Actually, dati kasi they have their first branch at Padre Burgos, right? Tapos, lagi kami pumupunta doon. Kasama ko yung mga friends ko. But then, nung nag-launch na sila ng bagong branch here, which is malapit lang sa bahay ko, parang one street away lang. Ayun, parang dito na ako laging nagsistay. And kaya din naman ako nagsistay here because aside sa hindi ganun kamahal, hindi ka pricey, which is budget-friendly siya to us like students. And also, yung accessibility and yung Wi-Fi connection, which is very needed naman to study. And also, kapag nag-group study din ako here with friends, maayos yung environment and comfortable naman to everyone.
Yun, sir. Thank you po sa pag-share. Out of 5 stars po, ilan po yung stars na bibigyan nyo kay Coffee Chapters?
Siguro mga 4.6. Siguro magiging 5 pag malaki na siya.
Okay, sir. So, thank you po. Have a good day po, sir.